Hey guys, I'm Monique Smith, and if this is your first time here to my channel, welcome. I hope that you enjoy all of my videos. Basically, I do makeup, music, and ridiculousness. Today I'm going to be singing one of my favorite songs by the 90's, which actually was originally done by the Rolling Stones and written by the Rolling Stones. It's called Wild Horses, but I really like this 1992 version by the 90's the best. I was in second grade when this song came out, so I'm gonna sing it and I hope you enjoy it. And just a side note, the instrumental that I'm using to sing this song with is not my own. I did not create it. I'm going to put the information about the instrumental in the description box below. I hope you enjoy. Childhood living is easy to do. The things that you wanted, I bought them for you. Graceless lady, you know who I am. You know I won't let you slide from my hand. And wild horses couldn't drag me away. And wild horses couldn't drag me away. I watched you suffer, a dull aching pain. Now you've decided to show me the same. No sweeping exits or offstage lights could make me feel bitter or treat you unkind. Wild horses couldn't drag me away. And wild horses couldn't drag me faith has been broken, tears must be cried. So